principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Narayan Ramdoga. Today I am standing here to deliver speech on Independence Day, and my topic is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was a freedom fighter of India and a political activist. He was